gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Huawei is back with a refreshed MateBook Fold Ultimate design after a year. But what's actually changed? Let's unbox it and find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Right away, the first thing that hits you is the size. It's huge, yet incredibly thin. Let's set the laptop aside and check the accessories. First, there's the matching black carrying case for our Phantom Black model. It's slim and lightweight. You also get the charger and cable. But here's a welcome upgrade. The stylus is now included in the box as standard, unlike the previous generation. Next is the keyboard cover. Remove the protective film and you'll find premium black leather with a seriously elegant high-end finish. Now, finally, the main attraction. The Huawei MateBook Fold in Phantom Black looks stunning. Open it up and that massive inner display immediately grabs your attention. Fully unfolded, it gives you an incredible 18-inch screen. Fold it down and it becomes a much more portable 13-inch laptop. Let's power it on. And there it is, the gorgeous 18-inch dual-layer OLED display. The previous generation cost over 20,000 yuan. Expensive? Maybe, but consider this. Even a standard 13-inch OLED panel can cost around 8,000 to 10,000 yuan. Here, Huawei is giving you a much larger 18-inch panel plus a PC-grade processor. That makes the premium price easier to understand, around £2,201 in the UK or $2,963 in the USA. With memory prices rising, this new model probably won't be cheap either, but it definitely feels like something special. And this is where Huawei's massive R&D investment becomes obvious. Even after a year, this product still has no real direct competitor, and that's a huge advantage. But Huawei didn't stop there. The company kept refining the design and upgrading the hardware. The latest version now gets the upgraded Kirin X90PLUS processor, although Huawei hasn't revealed many other hardware details yet. Turn it around, and the entire back is covered in vegan leather. A cloud-inspired pattern runs through the center, adding another premium touch. And the versatility is impressive. Open the built-in stand and you can use it as a massive 18-inch tablet or an 18-inch laptop. Honestly, this is exactly how I'd want to use it every day. Prop it up, connect Huawei's original keyboard, and you get an enormous tablet, a spacious laptop, and a completely unique computing experience all in one device. Once you power it on, the keyboard and mouse connect automatically, so you're ready almost instantly. One small change I noticed is the touchpad. If I remember correctly, the previous Phantom Black model had a cloud pattern, but this new version doesn't. The stylus is different too. Instead of magnetically attaching to the display edge, it charges through a USB-C port on top. Since this is still a prototype, we can't show everything yet, but I can already see business users getting a lot of value from this stylus. Don't want to carry the physical keyboard? Just fold the device into its compact 13-inch form. It's surprisingly comfortable for working on the go. And without the keyboard, place your hands on the lower display and the virtual keyboard instantly appears. It looks incredible. Huawei has also added several new themes. Earlier models focused on simple designs, but this time we get the eye-catching fish skin theme. It feels almost like an interactive virtual keyboard. Touch a key and the fish slowly swims toward your finger. It's a tiny detail, but it adds a surprising amount of personality and emotional appeal. Then there's the hinge, and this is where things get really interesting. Huawei has turned the hinge itself into a display, showing the Huawei logo. Go into Personalization and open the Center Axis Customization settings, and you can completely change its look. Choose the fireworks theme, for example, and the hinge displays a beautiful Happy New Year fireworks animation. It looks fantastic. I also really like the lights up at dusk effect. Huawei clearly isn't focusing only on hardware anymore. It's putting more effort into design, innovation, and emotional experiences. And to me, that reflects the company's technology and vision. So that's our first look at the brand new Huawei MateBook Fold. Since this unit is running beta software, we couldn't explore everything today. Once the official version arrives, we'll bring you a full, in-depth review and see just how impressive this foldable laptop really is. But even from this first look, I'm seriously impressed. I've always loved massive displays and unique designs, and this device delivers both. Folded, it's a compact and portable 13-inch. Open it up, and suddenly you have a massive 18-inch tablet and laptop. Honestly, that's a seriously cool concept. And our full review is coming soon. If you're interested in this futuristic foldable laptop, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!